Okay, for the controller, we can make introduction. We can select the English version. Okay, here it comes to the auto page. We have the parameter setting page, menu page. This is the all go home button. This is for the program start, pause, and system reset, and the parameter confirmation. Parameter confirmation button is to confirm the drilling position setup. Okay. Now we can make introductions one by one. Okay, for the auto page, we can check here. The left one, we have the 4 hole setup places. Okay, hole 1, hole 2, hole 3, hole 4. And for the right one, we also have 4 hole setup. For each hole, we have X, Y, Z, 3 axes. Okay, so for the whole drilling position, we can set up very easily. We can just use the hand wheel. We can firstly we press the selection button, changing hand wheel, and use the hand wheel to control press brake button. The system. Okay. For the others, it's same. You can just use the same method to set up each hole's XYZ axis. For the right one, we can see we just set up 2 holes. So for the hole 3 and hole 4, they are 0. That means for the hole 3 and hole 4, they don't drill. They only drill hole 1 and hole 2. Okay. So after we set up each hole, and then we press the parameter confirmation and let the drilling program to remember all of the hole position. Okay. And for here, we can also select turn on or turn off the station working. Okay. Now is left on. That means the left station will be work. For the right is off. That means the right will be off. And there is another pattern. Although the both stations you select on, but sometimes only one station works. That means another station they don't have the workpiece, or the workpiece available sensor doesn't light, isn't light, or doesn't light on, doesn't have the signal. So when here have the signal, the LED will on. That means the program will do on this station. Yeah. And also for the after we set up the program, for the first time we can use the hand wheel mode. Just press start button, right? Okay, I will make showing. Okay, I just use one station work. Okay. Okay. We set up air well here. Okay. Also here we make introduction. This is the safety position. That means after we have and also here for the Z axis we need remember to make a correct setup. So firstly we use hand wheel this hole is 20 millimeter. Okay, when we it is for example it is 84. Okay, if you want to drill through it, you need to add the 20 millimeter depth to this number. Since it is drilling downward, so we minus 84, minus 20. We need to change into minus 104 millimeter. Okay, so here we need to make some change for the z-axis. Okay, now we set up well. We will press the start button. Okay, yeah, and then we use the hand wheel. Rotate it here. We see with the hand wheel. So for the first time production, we want to make a safety operation. We just use hand wheel to control it. You can see that the slower speed doing, right? Right? If you think everything is okay, we can change it to manual mode. Manual mode and hand wheel mode. Okay. After finishing the production, we just press reset. Yeah. Then it will stop. Okay. Then we do other page in production. The first one is the parameter. Let me press this one. For the parameter, we have 2 pages. We input one password, press confirm. It will come here. So for this data is for the X, Y, Z axis servo motor setup. Okay, so this is the Y-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. Okay, and also I can input 2. Okay, and press confirm. If we go back to this page. This page is some delay, time delay setup. Okay, this is the manual page. If I press manual page, we can show this one. Okay, for here we can see some axis data and speed and some information, and manual mode, hand wheel mode, continuity, and move the drilling bit by the XYZ axis button here. And this is motor arm. Motor arm is for the drilling motor. Okay. If I press this button, we start the drilling motor. This is feeding cylinder. Feeding cylinder 1, feeding cylinder 2. This is the feeding cylinder. Okay. This is the feeding cylinder. Number 1 is this. Number 2 is this. Okay. Let me press number 1. Okay, I try number 2 or this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is a push cylinder, discharge cylinder. After finish the drilling job, it will push out the workpiece. Okay. Okay, this is number 2. Okay, this 2 cylinders is for the side cross. This is right for the side of cross. Okay. This is the first one. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, then we go back. Yeah, this button is like the X, Y, Z axis all go back to the 0. Okay, before we try this inside. Yeah, so the drilling motor, drilling bit will go back to the reference place. Yeah. Okay, this is start button, pause button, and reset is control the drilling program. Okay. Here is the parameter confirmation we already introduced before. So after we set up each hole position, we must press the parameter confirmation to let the program to remember this data. Otherwise, the new setup doesn't work. Okay. Here is the power indicator, and this is the program start button. This one is just same as this. This is the pause, program pause button, same. Okay, this is emergency stop button. Okay.